Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a background to your image on Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application on your device, and once you open it up, you will see the plus button which you can tap on in order to upload your image. Now, first of all, choose the image on which you would like to add your background. So this means that you would need to choose the foreground image first. After choosing the image, tap on the Tools option and then scroll down and tap on Double Exposure. After tapping on this, just tap on the plus image icon to upload the photo that you wish to use as your background. After choosing your background image, tap on the Opacity option and then swipe the slider so that only the background is visible. You can then click on the tick mark at the bottom right corner, and now you will see this image with the foreground almost invisible. Now you will need to tap on the Edit Stack option at the top. When you do this, you will see the View Edits option. Go ahead and click on it, and now you can just tap on Double Exposure and you will see the edit icon. Go ahead and tap on this and then tap on the invert icon. Once you do this, make sure the double exposure value is set to 0. Then you can just use the brush in order to paint your character, and once you do this step very carefully, your foreground will once again reappear within the picture. You can now click on the tick mark at the bottom right corner, and now the foreground image will appear once again. You can retune this if you wish by simply tapping on the settings button, and from the opacity option, you can make your fine tuning once again if you wish from the same double exposure menu. And when you are satisfied, you can proceed forward with exporting your changes. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a background onto your photo on Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.